All right, so what you're telling me is you want main level living, about 2,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, near a golf course, near a lake, and a shop for all your toys? I got the house for you. Welcome to 19 Waters. This living room has hardwood floors, wood burning stove, and check out this wood box that you can load from the outside. The kitchen has hickory cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a gas stove. And this spacious primary bedroom has its own bathroom plus a door out to the hot tub out on the covered patio. The other 2 bedrooms, one is perfect for a hobby room, and the 3rd bedroom has a Murphy bed, perfect when having guests over. This home is so spacious it even has a workshop for all your hobbies. The heated 2-car garage even has its own space for a golf cart. And take a look at this shop, perfect for all your toys. There's even a man cave in the back. So don't let the door close on the opportunity to buy this home. Give us a call today.